Hello everyone, Lily and Daniel here with chimpiesdesigns.com. Thank you all for tuning in today. We appreciate it. Today we're going to be diving in and taking a close-up look at this casing right here, the Ztotop case for the iPad Pro 12.9-inch display. I could be wrong on the name of the case, however, it does say Ztotop iPad case, so I will go ahead and leave links in the description below so you can check this out on your end. So within this video, we're going to take an up-close look at the box. We're going to unbox it together. We're going to take a look at the product. We're going to put the iPad in there. We're going to do the whole 9 in this video. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for more videos like this. So taking a closer look at the packaging, what we're going to do now is remove the case from the packaging. Now, at first glance, as you can see, the case has some textures to it right there up close. I will give you a better view at that texture here shortly. But at first glance, the case has a bit of weight to it. And it does look very, very nice. Everything seems of very high quality grade. It seems very sturdy as well. It doesn't seem cheap in any way, shape, or form at all. As you can see, opening the case, it looks like so. And the iPad will fit right in there perfectly, snug tight. It's a comfortable fit for the iPad Pro, the 12.9-inch display. Allow us to show you how easy it is to set up the stand here. As you can see, you just flip it like so. And the backing is magnetic, so therefore it clamps very, very easily, as you see right there. We will go ahead and show you again with the iPad actually inserted into the casing here. So here is the 12.9-inch display iPad, and we're going to insert it into the casing. Now, it can be a bit of a battle if you're a bit more delicate like we are in terms of getting the iPad into the casing. However, as you can see right here, we're trying to push it in, but we didn't want to exert over a certain amount of force onto the iPad screen just to prevent any damages on the actual screen. So for those who do get this case, what I recommend doing upon placing your iPad into the casing is grab the corner and kind of bend it outwards like so. I know it's a little bit off camera here, but if you take the casing and you bend it down like so, it allows you to pull, I guess kind of pull the casing over the iPad, allowing the iPad to snap right in with no issues whatsoever. So you can see the setup is almost complete. It does feel like a book and it definitely has some weight to it. However, it definitely feels like a quality piece of gear if you ask me. I want to show you all how the Ztotop case works in unison in conjunction with the Apple 2nd generation Apple Pencil. Let me actually show you that right here. So as you can see, within the casing, it has a specific slip on the right side where we would place the pencil into. And this case specific makes charging very, very convenient for me. It makes also getting the pencil out of the casing very, very easy. I will go ahead and show you a close-up look here at what I am talking about. For me personally, this is one of my favorite features. As you see on the right of the casing, it has an open slit in the back that allows you to literally push the Apple Pencil up and out through. It also allows you to slide it up to charge and to, slide it down to stop charging. In my opinion, that's something very, very convenient. It's actually very simple, but super intuitive. Another thing that I would like to shed light on is the kickstand ability from this case and the stability that it provides. Every time I've used the kickstand on this case, it's never given me any issues or anything like that. It's very stable, very sturdy. It's easy to set up. You would flip the casing like so. You pull down this flap and it is magnetic, so you can ensure a good bind and hold upon standing it up against this casing or while using this specific case right here. Also, please note that you can use and set this up at multiple angles. So the angle right here, let's say if you didn't like that specific angle, you wanted it more pointed up, you can go ahead and set it up like so, as it does have multiple levels in which you can go ahead and lean the iPad against. All in all, I highly recommend the Ztotop case for anyone who is looking for a good protective casing for their new iPad. I do highly recommend it. I give it a thumbs up and a 5 stars because it offers maximum protection while looking great as well, and I can do multiple things with it. I can also use my Apple Pencil in unison with this setup, so I never have to worry about where my Apple Pencil is or having to worry about misplacing it. So there's various reasons on why I highly recommend this case. Yet again, I am going to leave links in the description below so you can check this out on your end. If you have any questions, did we not touch base on anything specific in this video, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below, and we are going to do our best to assist you in the best possible direction. We also have social medias all under the same name. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok all under Chimpies Designs. We would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for us, as we will bring you more videos like this for you all. Yet again, thank you for tuning in. in, and you all have a great day.